The best soil mix for growing vegetables in containers is crucial for successful container gardening. Container gardening offers numerous benefits, such as space efficiency, easy maintenance, and the ability to grow vegetables in limited or unconventional spaces like patios, balconies, or small gardens. To maximize your vegetable yields and ensure healthy plants, you must choose the right soil mix. Here's a comprehensive guide on creating the best soil mix for your vegetable container garden. Potting mix. A high-quality potting mix is the foundation of your container soil. Avoid using garden soil from your yard, as it may compact in containers, restrict root growth, and may contain pests or diseases. Look for a well-balanced potting mix with the following characteristics. Good drainage. It should allow excess water to drain away, preventing waterlogged roots. Aeration. The mix should be loose and well aerated to encourage root growth. Moisture retention. It should retain moisture to keep plants hydrated between watering. Compost. Incorporating compost into your mix adds valuable nutrients and improves soil structure. Homemade or store-bought compost is rich in organic matter, enhancing fertility and microbial activity in the soil. Perlite or vermiculite. These materials enhance aeration and moisture retention in the soil mix. Perlite improves drainage, while vermiculite helps retain moisture, creating a balanced environment for plant roots. Peat moss. Peat moss contributes to moisture retention and helps create a light, fluffy texture in the soil mix. However, consider alternatives like coir-based products, as peat moss is not sustainable in the long term. Fertilizer. Vegetables require a steady supply of nutrients. You can incorporate a slow-release organic fertilizer into the soil mix, or choose a liquid fertilizer for regular feeding during the growing season. Proportions and mixing. A basic ratio for your container soil mix is 1 part compost, 1 part perlite or vermiculite, and 2 parts potting mix. Mix these components thoroughly to ensure even distribution of nutrients and a consistent texture. Adjust proportions based on the specific needs of your vegetables and the characteristics of your chosen potting mix. pH level. Test the pH level of your soil mix. Most vegetables prefer a slightly acidic to neutral pH range between 6.0 and 7.0. Adjust the pH with lime to raise pH or sulfur to lower pH as needed. Thank you for joining us on this gardening journey today. We hope you found inspiration and valuable tips for your green oasis. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss our future gardening adventures.